I've tried more than 500 AI tools, and these are the ones that will actually help you get rich. This isn't just another ChatGPT tutorial that you've seen 1,000 times. These AI tools are what I'm implementing right now in all my companies to be more productive and stay ahead of the competition. It saved my team dozens of hours of calling all these people to have the conversation, answering the same questions, because Your Atlas did it for us. So here's how it works. Just go to youratlas.com. I put my name and my cell number and I say, talk to AI. Now it's gonna call me.
Emma from Atlas. Am I speaking with Dan?
Yeah, this is Dan. Hey Emma, I got a quick question because I'm in a rush. I'm shooting a video. Do you guys help if I have like Facebook ads and stuff and I wanna like get my ads to get a faster response?
Absolutely, Dan. Atlas is designed to help businesses like yours by ensuring faster follow-ups and optimizing ad spend, which can significantly improve your response times and overall ad performance. Would you like to schedule a call with our founder to see exactly how Atlas can work for your Facebook ads?
That's Emma. Okay, Emma's youratlas.com. You can have it, Bob. You can have it, whoever you want. Tool number 2, N8N.io. What it is an open source workflow automation to automate all your business workflows with AI built into it. All you have to do is drag and drop or code your logic into the automation. So every time something happens over here, it runs through the automation and you get an output over there. For an example, every company should automate their onboarding. You could have a payment link that kicks off an email to your internal community, sends them a text message that invites them to schedule a call, and have the whole thing automated. So once somebody buys, everything just runs on its own. Tool number 3, Loveable.dev. What it is an app builder where all you do is describe the product you want to have built, the functionality, how it works, and it will actually create it for you. It can build an app, it can build a website, it can build anything. The limiting factor is your creativity on what you can get the app to build. Most people just don't trust it. They're like, there's no way this can actually build something useful. So you would just start a new project, you type landing page for my AI automation agency that helps plumbers in the Midwest, right? Very simple, very specific. Enter. Review what it created. Review the website. Review the copy. Review the flows. It has all the information from the whole internet and it brought it together and it created a website for you with a paragraph. Tool number 4, GetRevio.com. In short, Revio turns direct messages on Instagram and LinkedIn and email and text messages into dollars. It helps you score leads that come in over chat. It suggests the next thing you should share with them as an AI sales co-pilot. It even helps you book calls or take payment through chat. It's a sales assistant on top of your chats on social media. I've got clients making $1 million a month chatting with strangers on Instagram using Revio. Your audience, they live in the chat. You just connect your social account, you launch a simple campaign, and then you reply to them using the suggestions and the guides that Revio gives you so that you can move the conversation forward to book a sales call. Tool number 5, socialsweep.ai. Social Sweep is an internal tool that I've been using for months to help me network as I travel. It allows me to find the most valuable and important contacts in my network. This tool will change the way you communicate, network, and ask for intro. You know how you hear people say you're like one relationship away from achieving your goal? Social Sweep will tell you who that one relationship is because it can analyze all your followers. You might have a billionaire following you right now and you don't even know. You just connect your Instagram or LinkedIn. You can ask it, who can intro me to target person? It then gives you the message to use to ask for the intro, and then you can send it to all those mutual connections. Tool number 6, HelloFrank.ai. HelloFrank is essentially a finance co-pilot. The coolest part is they can spot waste and even give you clear guidance on what decisions you should make based on your numbers. So here's how it works. You input all your financial statements, literally just connect all the systems. It keeps all of that financial data private so it doesn't actually load it into the AI models. And then you can just ask it a simple question like, where am I wasting cash? It can look at every one of your reports and then give you the answer so that you can take action. Using AI in your financial world for anomaly detection and fraud protection and daily cash position is kind of a no-brainer. Anybody that doesn't use AI and a tool like this in their financials is just working way harder than they have to. Tool number 7, Alysio.ai. Alysio is your go-to-market command center. So in the area of business, there's a thing called sales and marketing and customer success, essentially your revenue. And you use Alysio to ask it anything about your revenue and get answers instantly. Think of it like a CRO or a chief revenue officer on steroids. Tool number 8, Flexpay.io. This may only be relevant to people that have a lot of transactions and they care about this problem. But the truth is 13% of credit card transactions decline, not because the credit card isn't good anymore, but just because the merchant or the person who issued the credit card doesn't have enough information to have it go. The way it works is actually really simple. First, just run a recovery calculator to see if how much it could save you makes sense for you. If it does, then you just connect your billing tool and then essentially your gateway sandbox, which is like your test environment, so that it can run examples to see if it'll work. And that's it. Tool number 9, HeroHire.ai. HeroHire is essentially AI HR when it comes to recruiting. It's crazy cool. If you don't have a dedicated recruiter on your team, you need a tool like Hero. Essentially, it runs structured screens, records answers, and hands you ranked shortlists of candidates you can pick from. Hero does the job that a person would have to do. I believe that AI is going to disrupt the middleman, and recruiting is one of those places because I just want to find the match for my business and that person, and the Hero platform does that. The way I think about it, Hero helps me recruit the people that I train, and when I build the people run the business. Here's how Hero works. You essentially launch a campaign in a couple clicks. Job posts, the applications, first interviews, the PI assessment, it does all that for you. It then reviews all the candidates and gives you the top 5 for every role you might have open. So now that we got people and your team is set, now we have to optimize for your business metrics. Tool number 10, precision.co. Precision is AI that's your always on data team. Now that might sound like an advanced concept, but for you to grow, you need the right information to make decisions. So it builds scorecards. It'll flag weird metrics and it'll tell you what to do next to work with your team, through your team, to get change done in your business. So what's cool is on my teams at 8 a.m., they get one email with all the different KPIs and one clear action they have to move forward to improve the business. In business, no scoreboard, no game. There's no way for you to be able to grow if you can't make decisions from real numbers if you want to get rich this year. The way it works, super simple. You connect your CRM solution, your billing system, and any kind of Facebook ads, and then you pick the weekly CEO scorecard that you want to see. It'll turn on anomaly alerts and use Slack to deliver any messages for you. Essentially, it monitors the data. It gives you a scorecard that everybody has to follow against, and it'll give you the action items your team needs to do to move it forward so that on your weekly meetings, you know exactly what to talk to them about. Again, I've tried over 500 plus AI tools, and these are the ones I use in all my businesses. All I want is for you to pick one tool and use it this week. Remember, all the links are below in the description. Just click one, sign up for it, try it out. Momentum is earned. And when you start making better decisions using AI and you start stacking wins, you'll watch the needle move. That is how you build the business.